So 33 years ago, back in Napier, New Zealand, I was 19 years old. I'd just come out of a 4-year electrical technician apprenticeship, and I was fixing washing machines in my grandma's garage. It seems a lifetime ago now, but it was an amazing chapter, and it really taught me a lot, and it really helped me develop who I was, what I was good at, what I wasn't so good at. So after 3-4 months of repairing appliances in Nana's garage, it blew up. You know, we were the largest repairers in town for washing machines, for fridges, for dishwashers. Maytag came to town at that point and said, we're looking for a local dealer. They said, with all of these washing machines and appliances you're fixing, for the ones that aren't repairable, you could sell them a new one. And I thought, hey, what a great idea that is. So after 2 years, we were the largest Maytag dealer in the country. What I understood and what I learned at that stage is I could sell a lot of washing machines, and while I was good at repairing things, sales was calling me more and more. I loved real estate. I watched the local real estate agents. I figured if I can sell this many washing machines, and I've really learned to communicate with people from high income to low income. I was doing 15, 18 calls a day for people that were calling because their fridge was broken or their washing machine was broken. So I was going up the hill, down the hill, talking to people all day at different income levels, different types of people. So it really taught me to be able to communicate with anybody and everybody. So I decided at that point, I was ready. I sold that appliance company, and it's still running today back in Napier, New Zealand. Today I'm selling real estate on the Broadley Peninsula. I've been the top agent here since 2013, and I love what I do. And if you're thinking of selling, always get those 3 opinions. You know, I keep saying that all the time. Make sure I'm one of them. I'll come out. I'd love to talk to you. I'm not fixing your washing machine, but I can sell your house.